Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off TikTok activity status. If you want some privacy while scrolling TikTok, turning off your activity status makes sure others can't see when you are active. So first of all, go ahead and open up TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Once you end up in your profile page, go ahead and tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. After you open up the Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy under Account. You will then be able to see the Activity Status button. Toggle off the switch right next to Activity Status. When it's gray, it means it is off. Now your friends and followers won't see when you are online on TikTok. And remember that you will also not be able to see their status as well. Now you can enjoy scrolling in stealth mode quickly. So that's how you can easily turn off TikTok activity status. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.